So, I just had some practice in this game. It took, like, since this morning. Well, not really, because I had school, but I'm just now getting out. So today, we're playing Azuer's latch. Come on, man, now I gotta leave and join a different server.
So honestly, the most favorite Dobrik content I've consumed comes from Snapchat.
Okay. And I found out that I'm a really good goalkeeper. Alright, so what was I about to say? Alright.
I'm definitely being sexually harassed right
I'm on the left. Maybe I should become GK. But you can't leave the game. Like, you be in the same server. You have to wait for this to be over. Give me this name. I'm gonna shoot it up in the air. No way! I can't move. I just have to sit here beside him. Like I... Not just do that. Huh? I don't like that. I'm gonna have to leave and come back. Bro was so mad that he just... I forgot you can do that. Kind of forgot you can do that with she do. So she basically did like one of those recently and got it. Come on, man. I just got the ball. Honestly, how did that go? Zooming in. No! Hit it?
お前だった。
They hit that, okay.
There wasn't even an outro. That's crazy.
I'm gonna be GK. I stood a chance to Shidu.
I still don't even know how the Rick Roll meme started. Like, who started the trend? I only know him as the Rick Roll guy, too. I don't know his actual name.
Bro, you're gay! Dude is so gay for that. If somebody has a chance to even shoot, on their team, I'm probably gonna catch it. You can actually use that to get get the ball away from somebody. Use a move. Use one. How did y'all? Yeah, I can. I'm not gonna go out the goal. Go back. Go back. Shoot it. Shoot it. There's a line to where the hitbox of the ball. Easy. It just flew out of my hands. Okay, it just flew out of my hands. Back into the action. Nope, never mind. Never mind. Alright. How did that go by? He must have flicked it, because I saw the line right in front of me. It's 1-2. 2-1.
Nasty haircut.
Almost got my ultimate. Do a flip. That's literally good. That's true. If he shoots, I can literally walk over to the shot. What? Oh, I think that was somebody else. I want somebody to pass it to me. I want to use my ultimate for a pass, for a pass. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. I have my phone on the speakers. My fingers on the speakers. I set my phone on the speakers. Alright, I'm changing it. That's a crazy transition.
Bald and he has some questionable ideologies. Bedrock hard Minecraft abs.
Oh, so yesterday I got my hair done. My head hurts.
Brand new.
Oh, nice.
Go. Move big. Why is it a whole team against 2?
This is absurd.
What? Goalie! Come on. Like, how? Somehow got the ball. How are you supposed to automatically pass the ball? It's still what? Come on, man. Did the goalie? Did we just break the? Ref, the ball is floating. I can't touch it. We can't get it. Who's gonna heel kick it? Honestly, I don't know. Somebody got it.
He's a dasher. Duncan's Taco Bell.
I just got them. Gimme. I literally tried that with nonsense.
君は俺に勝てないよ。さあ来い。
It's going to turn me around. Stole that from Preston.
瞬間吸収。はじめまして日本。俺が凪誠士郎だ。
Not gonna lie, I'm about to crash out. You're not fit. Why are you using the insect?
飛ぶぜ全細胞
I thought she or he was gonna listening. Come on, I can't even find the words. Okay. Okay. Was gonna use
What's her most popular video?
I don't like this. Why are we going against bacon sweats? Pass it. How did you get the ball from me, bro? I don't like this. the hitboxes in this game, like just in front of the person.
Fuji sounds like it sounds like something you should call this commercial.
Did I just get it?
ゲームレベルを上げる。
I'm probably gonna spin
ついてこれるバカだけに次の景色を見せてやる。
so bad because I don't want to play this. Move!
そうやってまだ俺の弟でいるうちはお前は俺を超えられない。
Hopefully you hit that. How did you tried that so many times? Pass. Oh. Never mind. Don't even. Pass me. Come on, no.
マイボ飛ぶぜ全細胞
Let's go.
君は俺に勝てないよ。さあ来い。
We just gotta get the 6th point for it to be us. If we don't get this 5th point, we lose because they have the 5th point. There's no way, bro. No way! Never mind, I'll go get myself. Why are they all using ult?
俺はストライカーだ。
Did I just see guns?
I think Phrasing a prime couldn't hit a shot like that. What are
見た俺のスーパースペシャルゴールほら楽しくなってきたっしょ
Alright. Let's try to roll for say.
Oh, he knocked him again. Okay. Oh. Okay, so Rudolph is
Brand new.
handball?
Can't become CF. What team to choose? I'm not about to do that.
At least he didn't say anything gets worked on.
Right here. What? everybody else in this whole game.
Around with this greenery and with the sunshine.
It has 4 moves and 1 ultimate move. That's standard. Because why does everybody have 1 ultimate move with different with not a lot of ultimate? Pass, 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 pass. Huh? So trash! Pass. Pass me. Pass me. Pass me. Come on, come on. Looks Maxim is still here. Get over here. I used curve shot to curve it around. The magic shot would have just magic pass him. No way, bro. How do y'all do that? How do y'all just get the ball and then somehow hit it again? Get the ball. Yes. I can't use anything without the ball. It's probably gonna be the last match because in God's say and what's it? Where? That's you. Pass real quick. I got ult.
My God. Would pass to me. Pass. He hit you with the nutmeg again, bro? I can't use I don't have normal. Let him. My God. Then cyber.
People who don't want to pass, okay?
ゲームレベルを上げる。ついてこれるバカだけど、次の景色を見せてやる。
I was going Drew, what's your side? Get it! I think taking a shot, you lose your ultimate. If that's true, then I just give ball to me. Give it to me. Give it. Give the ball to me. Give it. I have it all. Come on, bro. No, he got easy. What's the name?
今いいとこなんだよ。
それは俺のゴールで勝ちたい。サイレントシュートだ。
Why you got this balloon on me, bro? You take him. I don't like this bird. Yeah, we're probably gonna lose this.
ゲームレベルを上げる。ついてこれるバカだけど、
So much.
次の景色を見せてやる。
Take it. Cut it with the mouse. Yes. What do you want? No! So, your point? He's right under your bed. Because I'm not looking over there. You were right behind me. How? I don't like this game. It's so trash. That's the end of this video, I swear.